Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your hall ticket number and registration password, plus a stable internet connection. Once logged into the candidate portal, make sure you view the mock allotment record. This tells you current college, course, and category. Now, click the Web Options link. This opens your saved preferences. You should save the current set as a backup before edits, since that preserves choices you might want later. Make sure to note any editable window deadlines, because timing matters. Once the Web Options editor opens, you revise order by moving higher preference colleges to the top. This directly affects allotment probability. You can insert new colleges using their code or search by name, confirm course seat availability before adding. Make sure to use save after every significant change, because unsaved edits can be lost. Then run preview to inspect the final sequence. Once you understand the how and why of ordering, you decide whether to lock or continue refining until the mock window closes. When you are satisfied, finalize by locking or submitting the web options. This commits your preferences for the next round. After submission, verify the confirmation message and download the saved PDF. Keep it for records. If something goes wrong, for example, submission fails or choices vanish, first clear browser cache and cookies, retry in an alternate browser, and attempt during low-traffic hours. If problems persist, contact the helpline with your hall ticket number and a screenshot. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.